In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Google Drive, link sharing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a link to a file or folder, how to control who can open it, and what they're allowed to do once they're in. Start by locating the file or folder you want to share in Google Drive. Right-click it to open the context menu, then choose Share. In the sharing window that appears, you'll see an option to copy link. Go ahead and copy it. That link is what you'll send to people so they can access your content. However, before you share it, it's important to set the right permissions so the link behaves the way you intend. Open the share window again to adjust the general access settings. You'll see two main options. Restricted means only people you explicitly add by email can open the link. Even if someone else gets the URL, it won't work for them unless they're on the allowed list. This is the safest choice for private or sensitive files where you want tight control. The other option is anyone with the link. This makes the file accessible to anyone who has the URL without signing in or being individually added. It's ideal for sharing with large groups or when you don't want to manage email invitations. Keep in mind this is effectively public to anyone who obtains the link, so use it thoughtfully and avoid posting the link in places where it could spread beyond your intended audience. Once you've chosen the access type, decide what people can do with the content. Set the access level to viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer allows people to open and read the file without making changes. Commenter lets them view and add comments or suggestions where supported, but they still can't edit the main content. Editor grants full editing rights, including changing the file and, in many cases, resharing it. Only use Editor for collaborators you trust, and consider using Commenter if you want feedback without risking unintended edits. If you're sharing a folder, remember that these settings apply to everything inside the folder, which can be a convenient way to share a collection of files at once. For clarity, make sure your file or folder name is descriptive so recipients know they've opened the right content. That's it. Copy the link, set the right access, choose the appropriate role, and share with confidence.